What's good, everybody? It's your boy Ian with the Honda. We back, chilling in the lude. I just want to do a little update video. Let y'all know new things with the car, new wheels, stuff like that, new body kit parts, lights, and all that stuff. And also let you guys know what's happening in the future. I'll be making a couple new videos, and yeah, let's get to it, guys.
Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. DT, two-turn, baby.
Alright, guys, you're gonna try this weird setup. I don't know how it's gonna work. Are we gonna record on 0.5? So I can try to get more angle of this, but basically it's gonna POV driving. See how it goes. I need to get a GoPro mount, so I'm not trying to sit up like straight as an arrow. But try to hit some back roads real quick. Definitely gonna be a little sketchier driving. It's a little wet out and I don't have my other wheels on, so stance wheels, back roads. Oh shit. Wheels and the tires are pretty stretched. It definitely has, the handling is a lot different actually, especially when your car's low. Man, if y'all hear that rattle, I've had that since I had this car. I have no clue what it is. If anybody knows what that rattle is, that'd be awesome. It sounds like just like a loose bolt. That tire just rubbed hella hard. Try this thing like a manual, baby. What it's about to be. It's beautiful. Ooh. Damn, I've never been out here. It's beautiful. Got a little bit of sun. I have no clue where I'm at, to be honest. Ooh, I'm getting a little bit of brake fade. I'm running low on gas already. I just filled up. Alright guys, pull up to a little back road. I just want to show off the little fog lights. Got those wired up and everything. I can show y'all how to do that if you want to want me to make you a video. Just let me know. It's super simple to set up the fog lights and all that, but yeah, man. Just want to get a little clip. I'm gonna get a little exhaust clip at the back, and then maybe a flyby or something. Alright everybody, this is what I've been kind of wanting to show y'all. Got the manual transmission. Just like, these are all the basic parts. We got our, this is like literally all the tiny stuff you need. Got my shift boot. I stapled the shift boot onto the plastic holder. But I'll go through all this. I'm gonna make a video about all this, but basically transmission mount, manual ECU. We're gonna try that. There's a way to make your auto work, so we might do that too, but bolts, everything. But anyways, yeah, we got our brake and clutch pedal over here. This is the brake, but we got our starter, side mount. I don't even think I need this, but I grabbed it because they took it out for me anyways. You know, shift linkage and the bracket and half shaft and obviously the trans, but got a OEM flywheel, and then a let's see, oh, it's back here. It's under all this stuff, but OEM flywheel, and then it eggs the stage 1 clutch. But yeah guys, this is we go manual swap the lude finally. Alright y'all, just got back from the gym. Just want to say appreciate everybody watching. That's the boys car back there. Just wanted to update everybody, let y'all know how things are going and future plans. Definitely gonna try to upload more. Gonna try to put as much content out for the manual swap, so you guys hopefully can see how to do that if you're trying to manual swap the car. And yeah,